Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize controls for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. You have to start by open EDIFIER CONNECTS application, and of course you need to add these headphones to the app. Then you go to the settings at the right top, and right here at the second line we have control settings. Tap at this line, and we can customize only this Bluetooth button, what located near to the volume down button. And right here by default we have on the single press to swap between equalizer modes. We can also add a custom one if you want to, but you need to remove one of these presets. So if you use custom one, just remove, let's say, original and add customize. And also we can set another features here. So we can set to call voice assistant or game mode. Just tap at the best one for you. Let's say I wanna call voice assistant with a single press, and for the double press by default we have game mode, but you can also set something else. Let's say to swap between equalizer presets. And that's all. We can customize multifunctional button right here, only this Bluetooth button. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!